Imagine stepping into your bathroom on a chilly morning and feeling instant warmth underfoot. With the WarmlyYours Easy Mat, you can enjoy heated floors right where you need them. The WarmlyYours Easy Mat is designed for spot heating, providing targeted warmth in those high-traffic areas like bathrooms, kitchens, and entryways. Installation is incredibly simple. Just roll out the pre-wired Easy Mat, position it under your flooring, and connect it to a compatible thermostat. Choose from several thermostat options, including Wi-Fi enabled models, so you can control the warmth right from your phone. The Easy Mat's low-profile design fits seamlessly under tile, stone, and many other types of flooring without impacting height. Perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, and anywhere you want warmth and comfort, the Easy Mat transforms your cold floors into a cozy experience. Warm your home with precision. Discover the Easy Mat for spot heating. Simple installation, endless comfort. Visit us at WarmlyYours.com.